Hello guys, welcome to this video. Let's talk today about how to change the language on the iVMS 4200 from Hikvision. As you can see, I have the software running here on my computer and I have the cameras already connected, right? I have a Hikvision camera and I'm in VR. So everything is working here, but the language is different, right? Here is in Portuguese and I want to change to a different language. Let's say English or any other language, for example, right? Let me just close here the application so you can see how it works. Here you still see in Portuguese, but when you start the software, there's an option to choose the language. So if I double click here on the iVMS 4200 icon, I see this information, I click yes to start the software. And then I wanna see this first window here with the selection for the language. So here I can change to English, for example, and then I can log in with the username and password, right? But let's say you don't have this option here available, you don't have your language, then you can install a package to see the language here, okay? So let me just guide you there. Here on the Hikvision website, you find the package here on support, software. Basically, you need to look for iVMS here, because you're looking for the iVMS 4200. Here we go. And then you see this option, iVMS 4200 for Windows and Mac, but you're looking for the multilanguage package. Okay, here we go. I have this option for iVMS 4200. So when you click here, you agree with the terms and you just download a file, right? The file is already downloaded on my computer. It's a regular file. Here you can see on my download folder, this iVMS 4200 multilingual package, right? That's the one. You just need to install, and here you can select the language that you want. As you can see, I have Portuguese and I have different languages, right? So you can select the one that you want, let's say French, for example, and click here to read and accept the terms. Click install now. Just wait for the installation to finish. And you're ready to go, okay? Just click here, close this, and now here, let me just close this application and open it again. Here we go. Remember to close it and open it again. Then you're gonna see the option here now, English, French, and Portuguese, right? Let me just select English here. Enter my username and password, or you can use the auto login if you want to. And here you go, you can see already main view, maintenance, and management. Everything now is in English, right? So working in English now, pretty good, pretty fast, right? So that's how you can install a different language on the iVMS 4200. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.